Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to install Disney Plus on your Fire Stick. So if you're ready to stream Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and more, then just follow along. First, turn on your Fire Stick and make sure it's connected to the internet. Then from the home screen, go to Find and then Search. Then type Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. And when the official Disney Plus app appears, select it and click Get or Download. Then wait for the installation to finish, then choose Open and sign in using your Disney Plus account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After signing in, you can browse movies, TV shows, and live content available with your subscription. And if you don't see the app in the search results, make sure your Fire Stick is updated by going to the settings, My Fire TV, About, and selecting Check for updates. So that was how to install Disney Plus on Fire Stick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.